You might hear Coco in the background. If you do, it's because my baby boy is watching the movie Coco in the living room right now because it's a little late. Anyways, so yeah, I'm back. Yes, for all of you who wondered where the hell I went on vacation. I was lucky enough to go ahead and be able to plan 2 vacations with my family. The first vacation was a gift for my son. It is his 8th birthday this year. He just had his 8th birthday back on Valentine's Day, and it took us a little bit, but we were able to go ahead and take him to Legoland in San Diego, and it was so much fun. I think I had more fun than he did because I absolutely love Legos and I love working with my hands and I love building. So, I mean, Legoland was just amazing, and I honestly cannot wait to go back. There's just so many more things that I want to do, so many more things that I want to build, so many more dishes that I want to try. You know, that cafe in the Legoland Hotel is amazeballs, dude. Their food is so good. Anyways, Legoland, if you haven't gone, if you haven't been, if you haven't taken your kids there, okay, if you got kids, you need to go there. It's amazing. It's so much fun. I absolutely loved it. Like I said, I can't wait to go back. And then I was only back for 2 days after the Legoland trip before I took a huge trip with my husband's parents and my family unit to the town where they're actually from, which is Silver City, New Mexico. This was my first time ever going to Silver City. Me and my husband have been together for about 10 years now. We've been married for 3 years this year, and I've never gone to Silver City, which is actually the town that his parents are from. And so I got the opportunity to take the family, go down to Silver City and kind of explore, and I absolutely loved it, guys. It was amazing. They had all of these beautiful little antique shops, to which of course I splurged and I bought some antique stuff there because I couldn't help it. But man, I could have went super crazy there because there's so many beautiful things. Like, if you love rustic, if you love Southwestern, if you love prints, if you love like just religious memorabilia, like, you definitely have to make your way to Silver City, New Mexico, because there's just so many things to get there in the downtown area. Like, I know to somebody who's from California it doesn't look like much, but you know what, I just love those wide open spaces. I love, you know, the old feel. I love like the Art Deco. I loved everything about Silver City, and I honestly cannot wait to go back because we only scratched the surface of the stuff that we could do because we were only there for 2 days before we had to go to our next stop, which was Santa Fe, New Mexico. And that's actually where my husband was born, and we lived there for about a year before moving back to California, and we're planning on moving back there again at some point because we absolutely both love it there and our kids love it there. So honestly, going back to Santa Fe was just like, oh my gosh, like, I fell in love with it all over again. I got to go down to the plaza, do some shopping at the plaza, girl. We got to go ahead and check out some antique stores because if you don't know by now, I love antiquing. And so yeah, we got to go ahead and check out some antique stores, see a lot of really cool things. I picked up a few things myself for decor in my home. And yeah, we got to see our family, spend Easter with my husband's aunt, and it was just amazing. We just had a wonderful time seeing family and friends and being together. It was just a great time, and I honestly can't wait to go back. So that being said, that's where I was the past like 2 weeks. I know I haven't uploaded a video in so long, but you know, sometimes your girl just needs to get on a vacation and kind of do the family bonding thing because there's so many things going on. You know, sometimes you just got to get away. As a mom, you just got to get away and do other things and explore other places and just get out of your element. So that being said, next time I will be taking y'all with me because there is going to be a next time, girl. And I got everything that I need to go ahead and take you with me. Yes, we're going to be doing lives, pictures, tutorials, all that good stuff. So if you want to see a vlog, we're going to do a vlog. But yeah, it's going to be so exciting. I can't wait. So that's going to be happening in August. I have to go back for my cousin's, well, not my cousin, it's my husband's cousin, but you know, she's like my cousin because, you know, we cool like that. Anyways, she is going to be getting married in Santa Fe, New Mexico. I had the privilege of going down to where she's going to be married at, which I'm not going to say because it's not my news to share, okay? But yes, we're going to be going back down to Santa Fe, New Mexico, just hubby and I, and we're going to go ahead and vlog for you. We're going to give you some Santa Fe flavor. We're going to give you some tutorials and all that good stuff. So I'm so excited and I can't wait for it. But yes, okay, that is going down August, end of August, early September. We gonna vlog, girl. We gonna vlog. Okay, I'm gonna let you in on what's going on in Airbrush world. Okay, but yes, so that is it. That's all I wanted to go ahead and tell you, where I've been, what we plan on doing in the future with Airbrush and all that good stuff. And I want to thank you so much for your patience with me. I know that when I go on vacation, I like to completely unplug. Especially when I'm traveling with my children, you know, I like to give them as much of my attention as I can, and I like to live in the moment as much as I can. So that's why you didn't see much of me while I was gone, but I'm back now. We're going to get back to our normal filming schedule and all that good stuff. So expect more content and videos to come. Anyways, that is about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And if you choose to subscribe today, or if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit that little notification bell icon, which is right next to the subscribe button, and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. All right, loves, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next one.